Hello, Natalie. Hi.
Hi, Emmanuel.
You have absolutely no engineering background. So how did you end up with DMT?
Well, I actually started my career in Germany with one of our sister companies, TÜV Nord-Bildung. So I was working in the education sector, and I was organising language courses across the whole of Germany, and also working as an English trainer for some of TÜV Nord-Bildung's key account customers. So other companies in the industrial sector such as Siemens or Evonik, and also here at DMT. And I loved coming to DMT and teaching colleagues here. It was a great atmosphere. I always felt very welcome, and so that's why I asked if there were any vacancies.
And then at some point you switched from the education department to marketing. So why was that? And what are your responsibilities now in marketing?
Yeah, well, when I joined DMT, obviously they asked what other experience I have, and I have a design degree. That's my background. So I was looking to get back into something a bit more creative. And at the time we had a very, very small marketing department, and there was an opportunity available. So that's how I started here, and I've been working in the marketing department now at DMT for nearly 10 years. Currently I'm responsible for the digital marketing side of things, so I'm social media manager for the DMT group, and also responsible for the development of the website and our current marketing campaign, Engineering Performance.
So in marketing, you have to market and to publicize, the services and the products, the offerings of the company, and you have to have an expert to be able to do so. So how do you manage this?
Yeah, it is difficult. Not coming from an engineering background, a lot of our services are very, very technical. So there we do obviously rely heavily on input from our technical experts. But to be honest, most of our engineers and scientists are so passionate about their particular area of work or their engineering discipline that actually that really motivates me as well. And you can't really help be interested in what they're doing. We also have a lot of really great projects which are recognized around the world, and anyone can identify with those. So that really helps.
Interesting. Now, why are you doing this series of interviews? What's the reason behind?
Well, as I said, engineering performance, that's our vision and also our promise to our clients. And in order to be able to deliver that, we need the best of the best. We have some great experts at DMT, I'm sure of that, I'm convinced. We have some great managers, we have some great technical staff, but DMT's roots, as anyone here in the Ruhr region will know, are based in the mining sector. We're now active in so many different areas that we really just need to ensure that we have the right engineers, the right geophysicists, and the right software developers across all of our different branches.
Okay, well, that sounds really interesting and tempting. So can you maybe list the benefits and advantages of DMT Group as an employer?
Yes, well, as I said, we're part of TÜV Nord Group, and working for a large group like TÜV Nord, we have a lot of benefits. For example, health checks and preventative health measures offered by one of our sister companies, MediTÜV. We also have possibility to work remotely, for example, from home office. We also have very flexible working times. And in terms of personal development, every employee is entitled to have an annual appraisal talk where we can discuss what kind of training measures we would like that we think would help us further our career within the group. And that can be external courses, or also we offer a lot of internal training courses, for example, a talent promotion program or management courses for those working their way up the career ladder. and also here in Germany as an employee of TÜV Nord Group, where you also get free MOT tests.
Oh, good. So is there anything else you would like to mention, you would like to tell the people out there? So this is your chance now. Cameras.
Yes, as I said, we're looking for the best of the best, and we have some great engineers. But one area that we're really looking to improve on is the number of female experts within our company. So I know there are a lot of women who do study engineering or different engineering disciplines. So yeah, I would like to motivate more female colleagues to join us here at DMT.
Dear Natalie, thank you very much for your explanations. It was very interesting. And now everyone, please apply.